You'll never look at eggplant the same again after learning this cutting and roasting trick. Hi everyone, welcome back to my cozy kitchen. Today, I'm going to share a recipe that's incredibly simple but feels like a little kitchen revolution: oil-free roasted eggplant. Sounds simple, right? But when you pair the right ingredients and follow each step with care, you'll be amazed at how rich, creamy, and healthy this dish turns out to be. Ready to get started? Let's go! Starting with a humble ingredient, the eggplant. It's a common veggie in many households. But did you know that when roasted the right way in an air fryer, you can turn it into a dish that's not only delicious and beautiful, but also completely oil-free? Eggplants are high in fiber, low in calories, and packed with antioxidants, making them great for your heart, digestion, and even your skin. The cutting trick that changes everything. Grab a fresh, firm eggplant with smooth, shiny skin, no bruises or soft spots. Here's the fun part, the secret slicing method. Place the eggplant between 2 spoons, wooden or metal, so they lie snug against its sides. Now cut into slices about 2 cm thick. Why the spoons? They act like stoppers so your knife doesn't cut all the way through, leaving the base of the eggplant intact. This way, you get deep, even slits that are perfect for stuffing later on, without the slices falling apart. Tip: go slowly as you get near the end of the eggplant, so you don't accidentally slice all the way through. Next, lightly spray the eggplant with water and sprinkle salt right into the slits. This helps draw out moisture and remove the natural bitterness from the eggplant. It also keeps the eggplant firmer when cooked, no soggy, oil-soaked mess. If your eggplant is too long to fit in the basket, just cut it in half horizontally. Stay flexible. Let it sit for about 10 minutes. Meanwhile, preheat your air fryer to 200°C, 392 F, for 5 minutes. First roast, giving the eggplant a makeover. Now place the prepped eggplant in the air fryer. Roast it for 30 to 40 minutes at 180°C, 365 F. Halfway through, remember to flip it over so all sides cook evenly. Why this first round of roasting? Because eggplant is super spongy. If you stuff it while raw, the cheese and tomatoes inside will melt and overflow before the eggplant itself is even cooked. Roasting first softens the eggplant and helps it hold its shape, ready to cradle all the delicious fillings. Now things get cheesy, literally. While the eggplant is roasting, let's prep the filling. Slice mozzarella cheese into 0.5 semi-thick rounds or squares, your choice. Round ones tend to fit better into the eggplant slits and look neater when served. Why mozzarella? It's soft, melts beautifully, and has that perfect cheesy stretch. When melted, it hugs the tomatoes, soaks into the eggplant, and creates a taste that's irresistibly rich. Can't find mozzarella? Try scamorza, a semi-soft Italian cheese with a light smoky flavor that also melts beautifully. Tomatoes. The bright touch that lifts it all next. Slice 2 fresh tomatoes the same way, about 0.7 thick. Choose tomatoes that are slightly tart, with thin skin and firm flesh. The tomatoes help balance the richness of the cheese, adding brightness, flavor, and color to the dish. Once the eggplant is done with its first roast, carefully tuck alternating slices of cheese and tomato into the slits. Don't overstuff, the cheese will melt and expand, so leave some space. A simple sauce that elevates the whole dish. Now for my favorite part, a quick basil garlic olive oil glaze. In a small bowl, mix together a bit of extra virgin olive oil, heart healthy and antioxidant rich, a pinch of salt to enhance flavor, a dash of freshly ground black pepper for depth, a few torn fresh basil leaves for that signature aroma, one clove of garlic, finely minced, crush it first to bring out more flavor, stir it all together. Using a silicone brush, spread the sauce generously over the eggplant, especially into the slits. This simple glaze soaks into the layers, blending with the cheese and tomatoes to create a mouth-watering combo of creamy, tangy, herby, and spicy flavors. Second roast, where the magic happens, place the stuffed and glazed eggplants back into the air fryer. Roast again for another 15 minutes at 180 C, 365 F. Now's the perfect time to stand near your air fryer and soak in the aroma. The cheese starts melting, tomatoes soften, and that basil garlic fragrance fills the air. It's like a little Italian street corner right in your kitchen. The final dish, simple, flavorful, and good for you. After 15 minutes, it's perfect. The eggplant is soft and juicy, cheese golden and gooey, tomatoes warm and vibrant, and the garlic basil oil brings it all together. You can serve this as a light yet satisfying lunch, a delicious vegetarian dinner, a fancy starter at your next family gathering. Whether you enjoy it on its own or pair it with bread, salad, or rice, this roasted eggplant with cheese and tomato is sure to impress, transforming simple cooking into a beautiful experience. Who says cooking has to be oily, complicated, or time-consuming? With just eggplant, tomato, cheese, and a few easy seasonings, you can create something truly nourishing and delightful. If you found this recipe helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more delicious, no-fuss cooking ideas. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a beautiful, tasty meal ahead.